Hello, scrapbookers. This is Megan, and I am back today with my very first layout for the scrapbooking store. So this one is the kit for April, and I know it's like 2 days until the end of the month, and I'm just now posting these videos. This month has been kind of crazy, and it has gone by so insanely fast that I just have not had any time. And if I have had time, I have spent it reading or spending time with my family, which has been super nice. And I kind of have gotten to the point where I don't scrapbook every minute of the day, and it's okay. So I am learning that life isn't all about scrapbooking, which has made me really happy. I have also come to love reading a ton, and so sometimes I will feel like reading instead of scrapbooking, and that's okay, and I love it and enjoy it. Anyway, okay, let's move on to the layout. So this month's kit was a very spring themed kit. So April showers bring May flowers. So it was very flowery, and I think it also had some Easter things in there maybe. I can't quite remember. But lots of flowers and just pastel colors. So you all know that I have boys for children. And so it was kind of hard when I first looked at this kit. I was like, what the heck am I going to do with this? So I decided to go back and look for photos from the kids when they were younger, because this was such a kind of cutesy kit, themed kit. I decided that that would be okay to scrapbook my boys when they were younger. So I went to 2013 and found our Easter photos where I had dressed up the boys in cute outfits, and they just looked so adorable. We had gone to Mark's parents' house for Easter that year, and I made sure to take a group photo of them and then also individual photos of each of them. So here I am just going to gut this yellow piece of paper. I knew that I probably wouldn't use the blue bee background, so I decided to do a very small mat on as the border, and then I'm going to do the yellow side as the main background. So here you can see now I am adding some Lagoon Close to My Heart ink on the edges, and I really like how that turns out. I am huge into inking right now. It's so fun. I love the look that it gives it. It just makes everything pop. Okay, so now here I'm trying to place my photos, and I was thinking I wanted to do them not in age order, but then I decided, no, you know what? We're going to do it in age order. So I'm going to mat each of their photos on this butterfly paper, which again, I was thinking I probably won't use that one for, a big background or anything like that. So I am just going to glue all of these photos down with this butterfly paper, and then I'm going to ink the edges, and I really like how that turned out. If you know anything about me and my scrapbooking style, I always scrapbook with multiple photos, and it's a very rare that you find me scrapbooking with just one photo. I will do it, but it's very rare. I just absolutely love taking photos, and so I always include more than one photo on my layouts just to showcase all of those amazing photos. Okay, so now I have them kind of placed where I want them, and I'm going to start embellishing. So the sticker sheet that came in the main kit had a floral sticker, but it only had one of them, and I knew I wanted to place another one on the other side of the photos. And so what I'm doing right now that you can't see, I'm sorry about that, is that I am fussy cutting one of the flower clusters out of another background, like 12 by 12 piece of paper. Also, I wasn't quite sure what I wanted the title to be, so I just took the Choose to Be Happy from one of the cut apart sheets. I think it was like a 4x4 card, and it just said Choose to Be Happy on it, and that is going to be my title. So I am going to ink the edges on the Choose to Be Happy and all of the photos right now. And again, I think I told you I am using my Close to My Heart Lagoon ink. If you would be interested in making a purchase through my Close to My Heart shop, the link is down below. I am back to selling it, and I'm having so much fun using these products because they're awesome. Okay, so this collection is actually from Echo Park, and it is called, oh dear, what is it called? I can't remember. It is, I used to have the paper here. Here it is. Okay, so it's Echo Park Welcome Spring, and this collection was from last year's spring line, 2021. Now I am looking at the sticker sheet and trying to figure out what I'm going to bring in. So I really like that flower cluster. And then now I'm going to start gluing down all the photos. You can also see I brought in that banner up at the top. And then there are a couple of phrase stickers. The very top one says beautiful. And then the other one that's green with white writing says sweet day. So I am also going to decide to pop up this title, Choose to Be Happy, on Fun Foam. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'm also going to just stick down these floral clusters here. And then that is almost done. Honestly, this layout really didn't take that much time at all, and I absolutely love how it turns out. I cannot wait to add this to my album. I still need to start putting together all my albums. I still have so many stacks of layouts in my closet. So yeah, that's always an ongoing issue in my craft room is I make the layouts and then they kind of just sit in a bin until forever. So someday I'll get them all put in albums. Okay, now here I am going to glue the title down just on top of the bigger photo, the 4x6 photo. And I just really love this photo of all three of them. Like, Jonas kind of has a funky smile going on, but it's kind of like a real happy smile for him. And also this was before he got braces. I think he got braces during the summer of 2013 or 2014. He was either 8 or 9, I can't remember. But that is it for this layout. I'm just going to do some journaling lines here, and then I'm going to be done. I'm going to stamp the date too, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and check out the kit below. Bye!